I don't have to worry about flying in the rain or dropping my remote control in the water because it's waterproof and it floats. This is the second prototype number 2 from our test, and it works. I just did something that I never thought was possible. Come this way now, same thing. If a racing drone pilot likes it, I mean, this dude is used to like some serious equipment. If he likes it,
everyone's gonna like it.
Yeah, pretty much.
SwellPro, the pioneers of waterproof drones, has been leading innovation since 2013. The new Splash Drone 3 is the first fully integrated modular waterproof drone. The brand new aluminum alloy 4K camera with a 2-axis waterproof gimbal module is lighter, more durable, and offers greater stability than ever. Our new and improved propulsion system, with its 620 kilovolt motors and 1242 carbon fiber propellers, provides more power in reserve and agility than ever. The new state-of-the-art S3 flight controller ensures rock-solid stability in all situations. The custom-designed remote controller is ergonomically designed and has a built-in FPV monitor. The high-performance propulsion system is not just about raw power, it's also about stability. It now eliminates the jelly effect caused by the aircraft's vibrations. Our heavy-duty Splash Drone 3 signature waterproof fuselage is specially designed for use on the water and all-weather flying, and is as sturdy as it is waterproof. The new 4K waterproof camera gimbal is the first of its kind. With the wide-angle lens, your images will look more natural than ever. The camera captures up to 4K 24 FPS video, or 2K 30 FPS, and 1080p 60 FPS video in MP4 or MOV format. It also captures gorgeous 14 megapixel still pictures in JPEG or RAW format. With the new 4K waterproof camera gimbal module, you get more vivid, sharper, and higher resolution footage than ever. To increase position control accuracy, we installed a new brain in the Splash Drone 3, the S3 flight controller, in GPS mode, and thanks to its new propulsion system, Splash Drone 3 will maintain its position even in high winds up to 12 meters per second. The new Smart Cruise mode enables the capturing of smoother footage, and all the usual smart flight modes such as Follow Me and Mission Planning are still available. With our new quick release system, switching between modules is fast and easy. You can now change from a search and rescue configuration to a 4K aerial shooting platform in a few seconds. The Splash Drone 3 provides you maximum flexibility in the most compact form factor. The new remote control with built-in FPV monitor is all you need to fly and capture your footage. It has a better range with a choice from 40 channels to select from, ensuring smooth and reliable video feed in all situations. The Splash Drone 3 is much more than an all-weather 4K video and photography platform. Thanks to its wide range of modules, it can be used for a wide variety of applications, including 3D mapping, surveying, agriculture, firefighting, wildlife observation, search and rescue, and much more. The Splash Drone 3 is the ultimate modular flying platform. Whatever the mission, whatever the environment, the Splash Drone 3 is your solution.